washers, and we in one of our videos we showed us buying the new nuts and washers for them. But yeah, I haven't seen this with the handles for a long time. It's gonna look weird, isn't it?
It is. It's gonna look unusual.
But we have all our nuts and washers in here. I'll take out the original so we don't get them confused.
Okay, well, I'm going to actually set this down so I can work this way.
So you can see down there. I'll move the camera so you can see better. But Papa is attaching the nuts and screws. And we're using round ones or hexagon ones, but the old ones were actually squares.
Yeah, so.
But they said they didn't carry them, so we had to get new ones.
Yeah, we have.
Because they don't make square washers anymore. But you can see Papa has put the washers on. He's starting to put the nuts on. And I think it'll need to be tighter.
Yep, I think I'm gonna have to get a pair of pliers or something.
So Papa is getting a pair of pliers so you can get it. Don't you have a wrench?
Well, I do, but
Do you have one small enough?
I might.
But if you don't have a wrench small enough, you can use pliers to attach them.
Yeah, let's see if this one.
Which is Papa is using because it would take more time to find the wrench because we have a whole drawer of pliers that's right behind Papa so he can just reach and grab them. So he'll be doing that. And we're also going to use some steel wool.
Well, not now. We have to
Not yet. We're attaching them first.
Okay, so we can get this on.
And if we've told you before, but we're going to tell you again, these are actually not the originals.
I know, sometimes you like to do original, but sometimes you have to.
Because if you look on the front, which you can't see right now, there are actually wood poles in it to mark, because the original handles were actually smaller.
Yeah, so these are replacement, but okay, we got those in. I'll put a washer in there first.
So, why is this side smaller?
I don't know, it's just the way it is, so
Will it not be able to fit on there?
I think it'll fit.
So, you can start by doing it by hand, but then you might want to resort to the pliers.
Yes.
Or a wrench, if you have a small enough wrench. But
That's why I use the pliers.
yeah, you're going to need to use the pliers on there. And even though I got that one on, you might want to use the pliers. But this one, don't you need to make it go all the way?
Huh?
Don't you need to make it go all the way to the
Yeah.
So Papa's turning it so you can get a better angle at attaching it. But yeah, you can see attaching handles can be hard. You might think it's super easy, but it can be hard. As you can see, getting the nuts on is hard. Right, Papa?
Yeah, because this one doesn't want to go on.
And if you look, it's really hard to see. But you can see this is darker and lighter. So that means the wood is stuck together good. Because it's hard to see, but they're like a puzzle piece put together. So it's put together good, if you notice, while we were fixing it up. But if we feel our stuff is a little raw, so we're going to have to use steel wool on the wood too to make it not so rough. And we've almost got that nut on, almost.
Not quite, but it's almost.
Almost. Not quite, but almost. But yeah. We're getting a phone call, so I'm going to stop the recording for now. Okay, so the phone call's over, so we're back. But we didn't want to record while Papa was in a phone call, so I turned it off. But we're back, and better than ever. And Papa is testing to make sure the handles are on good. It looks like they need to be a little tighter.
No, they look okay.
Okay, so Papa says they look okay now.
Actually, this one here, if we turn it around, I think we should take it off and turn it around.
Why?
See, it goes down like this here, but it doesn't want to go that way. So let's see. This may go. Let's turn this over, okay?
So we put the handle on upside down. So we need to fix that, and we'll be back once we have fixed that. And we're also going to do the other drawer, and we'll be back when we're ready to do the cabinet doors.
Right.
So hello guys, and welcome back to another video over today. We are putting on the hinges of the doors, and Papa bought the wrong size screws, so he had to go back out to the hardware store and buy the right kind. And while he was out, he bought an egg biscuit.
Egg biscuit, yeah, I got hungry. Oh, look at that, that's going down in there much better.
So yeah, now we got good screws. They're a little small, but they'll still work.
Oh, that looks much better, doesn't it?
Yeah, because the first screws were popping out. So we're gonna attach the hinges, and as in one of our videos we attached which will be uploaded today, we attached the handles. That video will come out before this video, but we have not attached the handles for the cabinet doors because we wanted to put the hinges on first.
That's right.
And these are the original hinges. We just oiled them up so they would work.
Oiled them up and polished them.
And yeah, so they
now-
work now. So these screws are working much better.
Yeah, they go down in there like they're supposed to. Yeah.
And this is from McDonald's.
Is that from McDonald's? Yeah, you caught me. I tried to sneak a McDonald's in.
What? You should have put it with all the screws then.
Oh, I see. Yeah, this is not right. You caught me again. Okay. This is how it goes. I almost got it on backwards.
Wow, Papa. Wow. Putting it on backwards, that's just like you.
Yeah, I've done that before.
Like you put the handle on upside down.
Yeah, I did that too. So when you're pickers, you do things, often make mistakes, and then you have to go back and correct them.
Except Papa, you make the most mistakes.
I make more mistakes than most people.
And I get everything perfect.
Yeah,
Because Jackson is always right.
I'm learning that, sir. Yeah,
That's the old saying.
Jackson's right.
Papa's wrong.
I'm learning that.
You even have an Egg McMuffin bag in the garbage. Shame on you.
Okay, now I'm going to put on the
Handle.
knob.
No, handle whatever.
I actually don't know if I bought a washer to fit this or not. Let's see if this will
I'm
fit.
pretty sure you did. No, I'm pretty sure you bought enough water.
Yeah, let me see here. This goes on the back, and this goes here.
So we got the hinges on one door, and we're putting the knob on. And then after this, we will pause the video, put the other one on, and show you when we're done.
Okay, now this. I'm going to do the other drawer so you can.
So
you can
I'm gonna stop
stop the video for now.
and we'll be back once Papa's finished that. Okay, so guys, we put the drawers in, and we attached both handles, and we screwed the hinges in. So now the doors work. So yeah, we finished that. Thank you for watching. Bye.